Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about determination of VAT payable. To determine the VAT payable, the following computation will be used. Output VAT less creditable input VAT is equal to net VAT payable less tax credits or payments is equal to tax still due or overpayment. Before we can get VAT payable, we must first determine the input VAT and output VAT. By definition, input VAT is the value-added tax from or paid by a VAT-registered person in the course of his trade or business on the importation of goods, or local purchase of goods or services, including lease or use of property from a VAT-registered person. It basically means the tax paid on purchases by a VAT-registered person in the ordinary course of business. To compute for output VAT, the gross selling price will be multiplied with 12%, which is the VAT rate. On the other hand, output tax is the value-added tax due on the sale or lease of taxable goods or properties or services by a person registered or required to register under the tax code. To compute for output VAT, it will be just the same as the input VAT. Note that if the price is inclusive of VAT, we will just multiply it by 3/28 to get the VAT. We then subtract from output VAT the creditable input VAT so that the net VAT payable can be determined. Now that the net VAT payable is determined, we now head on to tax credits or payments. Tax credits or payments is composed of the following items: VAT paid in the previous 2 months for quarterly VAT returns, VAT paid in return previously filed in the case of amended return, advanced payments made to the BIR, final withholding VAT on sales to the government, and advanced VAT on certain goods. If any of those that are listed above are present, it shall be deducted from the net VAT payable. That is all for my topic, and thank you for listening.